In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without using a cloud backup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To begin, open the File Manager on your Android phone. Tap on All Files, then go to Internal Storage. From here, open the Android folder, then select Media. Now scroll down and tap on Calm.WhatsApp, then open the WhatsApp folder. Inside this folder, tap on Databases. Here, you'll see multiple database files. Select all the files in the Databases folder, then tap on Copy. After copying the files, go back to the previous WhatsApp folder and open the Backups folder. Now paste all the copied database files into the Backups folder. Once the files are pasted successfully, your WhatsApp local message data is restored. After this, reinstall WhatsApp if needed and verify your number to allow WhatsApp to read the restored files. That's it. This is how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages using local files on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.